Are you looking for expert guidance and support so you can achieve your required OET score? If so, you've come to the right place. As at OET Online, we are an officially endorsed premium preparation provider and offer courses for all 12 professions tested by OET. So whether you're a doctor, a nurse, pharmacist, a vet, a physiotherapist, or indeed any of the 12 professions tested by OET, we've got you covered. Our all-skill courses provide you with a comprehensive review of all aspects of the exam, perfect if it's your first time to take OET, whereas our single-skill courses are perfect for targeted preparation in a specific skill that you need to work on. Our courses feature the perfect combination of twice daily live and interactive lectures with recorded video, personalised teacher support, including private skill building tutorials in your area of need, along with detailed writing corrections, feedback, and grades to ensure your writing skills improve. And courses also include exam quality practice tests and skill building worksheets and quizzes. In addition, we offer mock tests in all skills and single skill course options for when you need a final review. These provide the perfect opportunity to gauge your skill level under exam conditions and are suited to both computer-based and paper-based test takers. Course access is flexible with options ranging from 1 month to unlimited access. Courses can be completed quickly with intense study if you have an upcoming exam or spread out over a longer period. After enrolling, you can always upgrade between courses if you require a longer duration or extra content and teacher support. This allows you to pay as you go. OET Online is the longest-serving OET preparation provider out there with over 15 years of experience in online English teaching. Benefit from the expert guidance and support from the OET Online teachers, all of whom are native speakers with OET Knowledge Badge endorsement. Our content can be accessed at any time from anywhere in the world, and our platform is equipped with features to enhance your study experience, including study guides and completion progress bar to track your progress. You can try the OET Online experience yourself today by enrolling in our free taster course for a sample of what we offer. We've helped countless health professionals from across the globe achieve exam success and have been voted as the #1 OET provider by the NHS in terms of highest exam success and student satisfaction. Therefore, you can rest assured, whether you're bound for the UK, Ireland, the USA, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, we can help you succeed. So now it's your time to act. Don't risk multiple OET attempts. Make a smart investment in your future by enrolling in one of our quality courses and joining our thriving community of like-minded health professionals achieving exam success. I look forward to seeing you in class.